Hi guys, if you're watching this video, that means that you have watched all the videos and gone through all the chapters in the sequential manner it was laid out. In case you have not gone sequentially, you need to stop. You need to go back to the start and follow them sequentially. It might not work for you otherwise. As I told you at the beginning of this course, don't be a jumping jack and lose. We need to be all winners here. We need to win our battles and we need to log them. By now, if you have gone through all the modules and you've done exactly as I asked you to do or shown you to do, you know how to identify when your anger arises in you. That is the very first big step. Once you identify, when you are mindful that anger is arising in yourself, you have the tools, you have the knowledge now to extinguish that anger before it consumes you. You need to do this over and over and over again. You might lose this battle sometimes, but trust me, you are going to win this war if you do the things I've told you to do in this course. In 30 days' time, once you have practiced the whole lot for 30 days, when you have included this in your daily routine, this is going to become second nature. Hopefully, by the time you watch this video, it has already become second nature to you and you have practiced how to extinguish this fire of anger as soon as it arises yourself, which ultimately saves you so much of emotional trouble. It will save you so much of money down the line. It will save you so much of hatred from your loved ones. They will love you. They will want you to be around you. They will do anything for you because they know that you are not that person you were before anymore, and they will appreciate your change. And please teach other people about these methods. The more you teach other people how you changed, it is going to help you to become even better. So keep spreading the message, and I wish you all the very best, and I'm so glad you have extinguished your fire. Thank you.